Chris's recent health issues have somewhat curtailed our travels for the last several years. It's also really slowed him down for a while.
Today we've got something a little bit different going on. In fact, I've been working on it for the last week, just an hour or so at a time, trying to get everything done. And that's to work on the gel coat finish on our beautiful RV. Now, this part is done as far as compounding, but if you look up here, you can definitely see the difference between what we've done and what needs to be done yet. So off for our little walk, and then back to finishing up some more on the RV. I doubt if I'm going to get it all done in the time frame that I want, but it's worth a shot. Look at the park. Yeah, the heat's starting to build up, and the RVs are starting to leave. So we've had this RV for, what, 5 years now? Since 2020. We bought it new. It was one of the first ones off the lot. And of course we paid extra that we shouldn't have for a finish saver coat to put over it, which is a wipe-on spray bottle type finish that supposed to last for 7 years, and it lasted about a year and a half before the sun everywhere in this beautiful country eventually just demolished it. So because of recently not feeling really good, we've gotten to a point where the finish needs some attention one way or another. So I've actually went and borrowed an old buffer from one of my good friends, and it's a dual action. Bought some nice McGuire's sort of wax and a compound number 67. Stuff's amazing, and have been going around it in about an hour at a time, trying to buff out areas that I can reach with my arms. So every day I do a couple of feet and then go back in and relax for a while. It wears me out between the sun and between the work. It's kind of taxing, but it's getting done. So right now, as high up as I can reach on the RV, I've got most of it. Right at this moment, I'm going to have to back the truck up to part of it to be able to get a little bit more, and this is just on the passenger side. So we may have to wait till I can get to another park where I've got room to get to the other side and finish doing the compounding, and then I'm going to have to go back and try to finish up with wax after that. So same thing all over again. The wax should be a little easier with a better finish and no chalk left on the surface of that gel coat. I think it's gel coat. I'm not sure if it's a fiberglass finish or a gel coat finish, but we'll see. We'll get it taken care of. So if that poor little old buffer that I got loaned holds out, I should be able to get it done, and it'll be set for at least 6 months, maybe a little longer if we take good care of it. Try not to laugh.
He refuses to give in. He's always been a fighter. He never lets whatever it is get in the way of doing what needs to be done. I know it's been eating at him not to be able to get out and shine up our rig. It's a fireman thing. You know, firemen first thing in the morning are always out cleaning the fire trucks. So, a few days of feeling all right, and he's out at it. I'm watching him closely. When he's done for the day and comes back in, he just says, "I don't remember it taking this long before," which is okay.
Well, that's looking pretty good. Sometimes the only way you can reach what you need to is to ad lib. Looks like we got it in, and I was able to reach high enough to get it from there up. That's a whole lot of reaching. We're doing okay, and the rig is looking great. Thank you for spending your Sundays with us. This polishing's kind of wearing me out. We'll go at it slow and easy. I'll eventually get it done. To all our patrons, thank you so very much. To everybody that's following and subscribing, you're all amazing. You guys are all helping this channel to succeed. Please, travel safe out there. Catch you later.